This is the Honeywell H01 Pro Sunturalux foldable desk lamp. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the manual, the power adapter, and the lamp itself, of course. Let me tell you a little bit about it first. I'll show you around the lamp, and then of course we're going to test it out. So it's a foldable desk lamp, as I said before. There are USB-A and USB-C charging ports right on there, so you can always keep a device or two charged. We'll charge up to 2.1 amps. 3 color temperatures: warm, cool, and neutral, natural, depending who you ask. Kind of a in-between type thing right there that you can select from very easily. Of course, it's got adjustable brightness, meaning it's dimmable, and I like the fact that it has a rotary knob. You just turn it. You want it up, you turn it up. You want it down, you turn it down. It's nice and easy in that regard. It's got adjustable angles on it. I'll show you that in just a minute. The CRI of the lamp, or color rendering index, is 95. That's supposed to be pretty good. This particular lamp says it is RG0, which means no risk for blue light. It's designed to not output blue light that will harm anyone. Yes, there is always a blue spectrum of light that comes out, but it's not to the degree that it's going to harm anyone. The lamp is 11 watts and 500 lumens. There are 48 lamp beads, I'll show that to you in a little bit, that are full spectrum. You can adjust the lamp, like I said. This can go all the way up like that, or all the way down like that, anywhere you want. And this turns either which way, so you can cast the light at an angle that you want, just like that, or leave it right in the middle. So now let's get it plugged in, and I'll show you that. Let's just start with the dumb stuff. Plug that into the phone, that into the lamp, and it's charging. Simple like that. We'll take that out. And now we'll turn the lamp around, and you can turn it on. So this is a rotary dial. Like I said before, you press it, it'll turn the lamp on. And there you go. From here, it's very easy. You can adjust the different color temperatures. Press again, and press again. So warm, neutral, cool, and it'll keep cycling through that. Press and hold it, and it turns off. So on, it'll keep cycling through the color temperatures. Hold it for off, and that's it. You want to change the brightness, down she goes, or up. Very easy to operate. This also has a memory function. For example, if we turn it kind of mid-brightness and make it cool white like that, and turn the lamp off, when we turn it on, it comes right back exactly where it was. Same brightness, same color temperature. The lamp also claims no strobe hazard. So for those of you who are sensitive to flickering lights, and especially flickering LEDs, these do not. There is no strobing of any kind going on. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it on. And that is at the lowest brightness. Won't go down any further from there. And this is in the neutral white, so it's kind of in between cool and warm. You can press that, make it cool, and make it warm. I certainly don't detect any flicker from it at all. We can brighten it up. You will get little, I don't know if the camera picks it up jaggies, as I like to call it, where the intensity goes up in little steps, little tiny steps like that. So changing that might be a thing, but other than that, you know, it will dim and brighten without any problem like that. And here's your brightest. That will light up a work surface very, very nicely. It's a very intense light that it's not glaring, which is a wonderful thing. And in the different color temperatures as well. Yeah, definitely. You can also adjust that. I can turn it away like that by tipping the top of it. You can see the shadow cast there, which is also nice as well, so you can adjust that to where you need. And as I mentioned before, you can charge your phone with it at the same time. There's two ports there, one USB-A, one USB-C, so two devices can be charged at the same time. They're not kidding about the light output. It's actually excellent. I do not have any problem with this at all, and I am very susceptible to flicker from lights, and I cannot detect any at all, nor can the camera, which is really, really nice. So once again, this is the Honeywell H01 Pro Sunturalux folding desk lamp. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.